welcome to BotPenguin. So in today's video, I'm going to create a new Facebook bot and connect with my Meta business account. So let's get started. Click on create new bot. Then choose a use case here. Click on Facebook. Log into my Facebook account. So I will do that like this. Click on login. Okay, so click on continue. So I need to select the page for which I want to give the access to my BotPenguin. So I will select this one here. So you can choose from any of these two options, whether the BotPenguin can access all the current and future businesses or only the selected ones that you want to select from here. So I will select it here. So you can review what all BotPenguin can access. Manage your business, manage your page and access page conversions. So all these things BotPenguin will be able to access. And then click on save. Okay, so my Facebook account has been connected to BotPenguin. So this is my Meta business page and I need to connect this with my Facebook bot, the one that I have just created. So my Facebook bot has been successfully created, and that's all for today's video.